What's up, guys? LewisHelps. Check this out, man. Pros and cons of doing your rehab in the rain. Coming up. Let's see what's up. All right, guys, so check this out. We're out here, Columbus, Ohio. It's raining right now. We got our project underway. It's raining outside. It's murky, it's yucky, but we got some pros and we got some cons to the rain. I wanted to kind of go through those for you guys so that way you guys can kind of see what are some of the pros and cons with dealing with rehab in the rain. Now, here, let's dive right into it. We got a deck that's supposed to be being done today. It's raining, it's not being done. Why? Because we have footings that have to be put into the ground, right? We got these footings that have to be put into the ground. Those require concrete to go in and dry. And so when you have an issue where you have water, that's a no-go on your concrete, right? So we got the holes dug, we got a little bit of work done today. We got our base footer in, but we cannot go ahead and pour the concrete because we do not want our concrete to get wet, thus not being allowed to dry. It's not the climate weather for that, okay? So we lose a day on our decking, right? Which is okay because we still have a couple weeks left in this project. Now, what are some of the cons that you might not be thinking about when doing these projects, right? It's raining. I'm gonna take advantage of this rain and I'm gonna take a look to see how this rain actually affects my building, right? I wanna look to see how water is flowing away from my building or lack thereof, right? So we've got drippage happening here, right? And now I can kind of see if my water spouts are working. I have another project that is not. So we can see here, we got water issues here. Let's see what else. Good morning, how you doing? Let me finish this video. Right, so.
You run upstairs and you take that front bedroom, you got a water leak coming in from the roof.
Okay, right, there it is right there. We got a water leak that we've identified in the ceiling that we have to deal with. And so we can attack these issues while we're in the project. Some of these projects with rental houses, they only last 2 or 3 weeks. So you might not have the opportunity of having it rain while you own the property. The leaks that may have occurred or may be occurring that you're not seeing when you buy the property. So we're looking for, see how water is draining from or to our property, right? We're seeing how our downspouts are working. Just take a look to see if we have any issues where we have to do that. We're looking in our window ledges to see if we're having water intrude into our property. So we're paying attention to all these things, okay? So just a quick little video, not gonna go too deep into it. Rain, water in your property. You know what it is, Terrence Lewis, LewisHelps. For more information, you know where it's at. We're on our way, we're in this properties, let's do it.